Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Analytics with AI for data visualization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Adobe Analytics with AI for data visualization, start by logging into your Adobe Analytics account. Navigate to the Admin section on the top menu bar. Select Report Suites from the drop-down menu. Choose the report suite you want to configure for AI capabilities. Click on the Edit Settings button. Scroll down to the Machine Learning section. Enable the machine learning features if they are not already activated. Next, go to the Variables section. Ensure that relevant variables, such as evars and props, are correctly set up for data collection. Now, access the Analysis workspace by clicking on its icon on the main dashboard. Create a new project by selecting the Create New Project option. Choose a blank canvas or a template that suits your visualization needs. Drag and drop relevant metrics and dimensions into the canvas area. Utilize the drag and drop feature for creating visualizations effortlessly. Click on the Visualizations tab to explore available options. Select the visualization type that best represents your data, such as bar charts or line graphs. Next, access the AI Insights options to leverage Adobe Sensei technology. Here, you can apply predictive analytics and anomaly detection to your datasets. Configure the AI models based on your specific business goals. Test various scenarios to observe different outcomes in the visualizations. Once you are satisfied with your setup, save your project for future use. To share your findings, click on the Share button and choose your preferred format. Finally, review and analyze the visualizations for actionable insights. This concludes the basic configuration of Adobe Analytics with AI for data visualization. You are now ready to make data-driven decisions efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.